I was real nervous about how things go. Our relationship has ran the spectrum.
Yeah.
And I've always tried to figure out how to accept the situation for like what it was and just try to move on. I didn't know what that meant. I didn't know what had to happen. It's like sometimes when you think about forgiveness, when you think about love and acceptance, it's an idea, especially when you don't have a lot of practice of doing any of those things. They're
Yeah.
like just conceptual in nature, right?
Yeah.
So when I'm thinking about, okay, how do you move on? What does that like look like? How do you forgive? How do you accept? And a path for me in trying to do that was through recognizing that you are me, like in a core.
Hmm.
And I had and that started like the room was created for that when I started forgiving myself for
Mm.
all of these things that I had done.
Hmm. Hmm.
That some you know, some you don't, but it's the guilt associated with not being able to say, okay, you did that. It's something you did. It's not who you are. It's
Right.
not who you are. It's not who you are.
Right.
Kept me from seeing you for who you are. And it wasn't until I started moving all of that kind of stuff out of the way where this idea of forgiveness and moving on and managing expectations and all of that kind of stuff like literally started to go away. So I could see me in you. I could see what was actually there and has been there the whole time. And I am so thankful that you're my mom, like in a deep way. Everything I am is because of you. And like the life you set up, all the adversity, there was nothing ever wrong with you. There was nothing ever wrong with you. And I'm so thankful that I got to a point in my life where I could like see you and just love what's there with no expectation of it trying to be anything different than like what is there. And it's so overwhelming, especially when I contrast it with the way our relationship has been. I never thought we would be here. I never, the things that we've said and the stuff that's been done, like I never ever thought that we would be here. I never thought that.